I'm Dr. Sam Shatkin Jr. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon in Amherst, New York, which is a suburb of Buffalo, New York. I've been performing aesthetic plastic surgery now for nearly 28 years, and I love what I do. I'm enjoying the interactions I have with my patients, and I just have a great experience here. One of the reasons why we implemented nutraMetrix in our practice is because I have patients that come in that are generally unhealthy, many of them overweight. So we really started out with the weight loss program with TLS to help our patients get healthier prior to surgery. And many of the things I do in surgery include body contouring, tummy tucks, liposuction, breast lifts, breast reductions. All of those things are done, but we need to have a healthy patient that's somewhere close to their ideal weight. So that's where we first implemented nutraMetrix in our practice. We use, in our practice, we use isotonics and the whole line of the nutraMetrix products. We do a lot of beauty treatments here in our office. Skin care obviously is a big part of the aesthetic practice that we have. So we use the Beauty Blend and other products to help rejuvenate the skin and help make people be a little healthier. And we use the antioxidants as well for those individuals that need a little extra help. Once they start on the products, patients love to continue using the products. So we'll pick out the products that are beneficial to them, and very often they'll also add some other products into their product line and what they use on a daily basis. My favorite thing about working with nutraMetrix is that it's very, very simple. Patients can understand the concepts when we give them to them. We actually have a great selection, obviously, so we can pick and choose the right product for the individual. We know that the results are good because patients come back, even within a few weeks, they tell us how they feel much better. Certainly we're incorporating that in our treatment plan that we do for them as plastic surgeons. But when we're doing skincare, for example, their skin just starts to glow with our in-office treatments as well as the nutraMetrix products. So we really think it's very beneficial. I think other plastic surgeons should consider introducing nutraMetrix in their practice for a couple reasons, but one specific reason. You know, in plastic surgery we become very subspecialized, and sometimes we lose sight of why we became doctors to begin with. And if we think back when we were in medical school and we're thinking about what we really want to do in our lives to help other people, you can do a lot with nutraMetrix in your practice by bringing health back to the patient. It's not just about making them look better. I can do a surgery procedure like a facelift or a tummy tuck and change the way their shape looks. But if I'm not making them healthier, then maybe I haven't really done what I should be doing as a physician. So that's why I love using the nutraMetrix in our practice. Well, you may ask why and how we incorporate the nutraMetrix products in our practice. We actually package the products in with our procedures, and the advantage of that is then the patients aren't really appreciating that we're adding it. They see that as a value-added product. So when we add those products to them, I know we're helping them out. So it's not just about adding on something else that we can charge a patient for, it's adding on the end successful result that we're looking for. And I think it really is a balance between the beauty that we can do as a procedure and the beauty that we can do from building from the inside out. Well, the best tip that I can give anybody if they're considering nutraMetrix in their health practice, medical practice, would be to try the products themselves. You know, we all could benefit from various things and nutritional supplements, and I'm a product of the product. I've been using the products for about 15 years now. I love what it does to help me keep my energy. I very often have patients tell me that I look better when I tell them my age. They can't believe it. And I think it all really boils down to being healthy, eating well, taking care of our bodies, and also, in my case, it's using the nutraMetrix products. So try the products first, and then once you're convinced that it's beneficial for you, you're gonna even feel much more confident about using them for your patients. Right, well, the best part about using nutraMetrix in our practice is my whole team really embraces it. You know, we all are using the products in our own personal lives and with our family, but the team effort is really very beneficial. So we have my nurse in my practice is running our weight loss program, and she does a tremendous job. I have my physician's assistants that work with us, also work with patients on getting the products started prior to having their treatments, if that's what they're here for. So I really think that that team effort makes it so much easier. There's no real burden on any one individual. We all work together, and I think that's really the way to do it. So we've got a number of treatment areas at the Aesthetic Associate Center. I would like to show you our operating room, so follow me. So we're going down this hallway here. This is our pre-op area, and this is going right into the operating theater. We've got our recovery room here, and then our operating room in here. I'll turn the lights on. You can take a look. We've got a fully accredited ambulatory surgery center here, which we've been accredited since 1989, and we're very proud of our center, and we're in the process of building another operating room, which is going to be an additional room adjacent to this, which is going to also be utilized on a daily basis. So after the surgery, the patients will come back to the recovery room, and then they'll leave the office very shortly after this. Office-based surgery is great because it's very private, very comfortable for the patient. They know the whole team when they come here. It's not like a large facility, a large hospital, and we're very unique in the Western New York area because there aren't too many places that have this facility. In this room, we have a couple of our lasers. You're welcome to take a look in here. This is one of our lasers. There's our very capable Abby. She's our physician's assistant. Abby helps manage some of the things that we do with nutraMetrix, as well as taking care of our patients on a daily basis. And then we're going to go down this hallway here. We've got a number of rooms that are for general treatments. And we've got some of the treatment rooms that we use for our aesthetic skincare. Here's one of our aesthetic rooms that we have that's being turned over now. So we do, in these rooms, we do skincare, we do facials, we do skin treatments to help enhance the appearance, and this is an area that we would use our nutraMetrix products, like the Beauty Blend, to make sure we incorporate that into their skincare. So when our patients come in to visit us and we make recommendations as to what vitamins and supplements they might need, we usually bring them out here into our hallway here. And we have the whole line of nutraMetrix products that are available for them, along with some skincare products that are personally and private labeled by me for our practice. But we think that's very important, so the patients always get exposed to that. So we're not, it's not a hard sell, it's a relaxed sell, because patients say, well, gee, tell me a little bit about some of these products, and that's a really great way for us to introduce these nutritionals for them. The other thing we do in our practice is we have educational TV in our waiting room, and the advantage of that is the patients can actually sometimes learn a little bit about what we're doing, but we do have the nutraMetrix information. We have transition lifestyle system information on the video as well. So while they're sitting here in preparation for their exam or their consultation, we can give them a little bit of information on what it is that we do with nutraMetrix as well. So one thing that we're really proud of here at the Aesthetic Associates Center is our conference center upstairs, and I want you to see that. We've dedicated that to my father. He passed away. He was our partner and mentor for over 20 years, and we had the luxury and benefit of having him join us. So this conference center we have set up here. We have exhibits when we do a training here for health professionals. We teach our TLS classes here, as well as other non-nutraMetrix type of treatments. And you can see the dedication there for the Shatkin Learning Center with our father, an important part of what we do here. And heading down this way, you can see our conference center. So this is our reception area. So here at the conference center, we can train health professionals for anything from nutrition, which we do frequently on a weekly basis, to dental implants, which my brother does, and to community-based education we use for patients that are interested in aesthetic plastic surgery. Currently, we have a facility here that can house about 60 instructees, and then we're expanding that to about 130 soon to be done later this year. Welcome to Trey RA Spa. This is the Medi-Spa that we have that's in conjunction with the Aesthetic Associates Center. As you can see here, it's a totally separate entity. We're inside a lobby of the Wyndham Hotel in Buffalo, New York. We are 5-star Diamond Award recipients here. My wife Joni runs the show here, and she does a fantastic job. Let me show you the spa. We have our beautiful reception area here with Julie, man of the show. I'm very proud of utilizing our Motives makeup here, which we had in the line here now for about 2.5 years. And these products have been a big part of our practice here at this spa. And of course, we have the nutraMetrix products. Actually, at this office, we have our isotonic products that we use here, because it's not just health professionals that are selling these products here. These are an important part as well.